We played the cover of the Rolling Stone at the senior center of the day with our jam group, and some ladies walked in, they listened to the song, and the song they said, "Hey, that was great," and they walked out. And I said, we should change the name. Instead of saying we got a lot of blue-eyed teenage groupies, maybe we should change it to we got a lot of elderly blue-haired groupies. And the group said, "Dude, why don't you just rewrite the song?" So I did. So here it is. I make a few mistakes. I'm still learning it and got a little bit of timing issues. And I'm going to have to scroll because there's a lot of words. But here we go. Well, we're old rock singers. We got arthritic fingers and we're shunned everywhere we go. We sing about the old times. We sing about stuff nobody seems to know. We take all kind of pills that the pharmacist fills, and it changes the color of our pee. And while we sit here crapping, we read what's happening in the pages of the AARP. AARP, tell me about the best road trips. Tell me about what products are a chip. Give me hints of my IRA in the pages of the AARP. I got a freaky old lady whose name I can't remember, who helps me with my jeans. She helps me find a pair of matching socks and some undies that are kinda clean. Now I just wanna know how to get home, 'cause I really gotta take a wee. And maybe I'll find me some discreet adult pull-ups in the pages of the AARP. Time to scroll. AARP, tell me about the best road trips. Tell me which products are a chip. Give me hints of my IRA in the pages of the AARP. We got a lot of elderly blue-haired groupies who can't hear a word we say. We got some genuine Oregon gummies that help us make it through the day. We got lots of friends that are in the same boat, but we can't remember their names. And we keep getting shorter, but there's discount on our orders in the pages of the AARP. Tell me about the best road trips. Tell me which products are a rip. Give me hints of my IRA in the pages of the AARP. In the pages of the AARP, I want to read about hemorrhoids, electric cars, and bedroom toys. I want my next ED fix in the pages of the AARP. And if you didn't know it, the AARP is the American Association of Retired People. It's a magazine we get each month. Love everybody.